Yep, sanibonani guys, sanibonani. As an Orlando Pirates football fan, I mean, I'm here to educate than to dismantle. I'm here to educate. Now, Tifo Mashamayit has been appointed as a new what coach. Okay, fine. This guy, the reason why I retired with football, it was because of Kaizer Chiefs. This guy was blackballed. This is the last captain of Kaizer Chiefs eyokuphakamisa i-league trophy. Is the last captain. Unfortunately, uthe maqeda uwin i-Kaizer Chiefs league ngo-2015, I don't remember, 14-15, wadimanda i-salary increase or uzohamba eklabhini. Iklabhu yamreleasa and make sure ukuthi iyamblackballa. Yes, i-situation yalo mjidi yafana naka-George Maluleke, George Lewis, man, I mean to say, awubani, Abusaleng. If uSaleng angahamba ku-Pirates, this is what will happen to him. I-Pirates is on blackball. Yes, ayikho i-team ezomfuna. You may think ama-team awazwani la ku-P_S_L, but ama-team ayazwana. Kunabantu abane-influence, abo-Khoza, abo-Kaizer, they have influence over other teams. They can make sure ukuthi awusayitholi i-contract if you leave their team. This guy is the victim of that. Nabantu angeke bavume because i-team yabo isapotwa abantu abaningi. But thina we've been there as fans and we know ukuthi teams will blackball you ungasayitholi employment. Danko.